Top 50 prepositions. With. I went to the park with my friend. She likes to eat pizza with extra cheese. He listened to music with his headphones on. At. I'm meeting my friend at the coffee shop. The concert starts at 7 p.m. We usually eat dinner at home. From. I'm from New York City. The train departs from platform 3. She bought a gift for her friend from the store. Into. He turned the key and opened the door into the room. She poured the milk into the cereal bowl. The bus driver turned the corner and drove into the city. During. I usually read a book during my lunch break. The movie was interrupted by a phone call during the climax. They played music during the party. Including. The pizza toppings included pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives. The package came with a set of markers, including blue, green, and red. The team had 5 members, including the captain. Until. We can't leave until the movie is over. I'll be working until 6 p.m. tonight. She waited patiently until her turn came. Against. The football teams are playing against each other. She leaned against the wall and closed her eyes. The law is against littering in public places. Among. The teacher distributed the papers among the students. The flowers were hidden among the bushes. She felt like she didn't belong among the crowd. Throughout. The restaurant is open throughout the day. The band played music throughout the night. He found the book interesting throughout the entire story. Despite. Despite the rain, we still went for a walk. She got the job despite having no prior experience. He kept trying despite failing multiple times. Towards. I walked towards the store. She has a positive attitude towards life. He made a kind gesture towards his neighbor. Upon. Upon arriving at the airport, they checked in their luggage. Upon hearing the news, she burst into tears. Upon finishing the meal, they paid the bill. Concerning. The meeting was concerning the new project. They had a discussion concerning the upcoming trip. The letter was about a matter concerning their health. 2. I gave the book to my friend. She went to the park with her family. He talked to the teacher after class. In. The keys are in the drawer. She studied in the library for her exam. He lives in a small town. 4. She bought a gift for her sister's birthday. He made dinner for his family. They raised money for a charity. On. The book is on the shelf. She wrote a report on the environment. He is working on a project for his boss. By. The cake was made by my mom. She was impressed by his talent. He was greeted by his friends at the airport. About. She told a story about her trip to Paris. He read an article about space exploration. They had a conversation about their future plans. Like. She sings like an angel. He runs like a cheetah. They dance like professionals. Through. They walked through the forest. She found the answer through research. He achieved success through hard work. Over. The plane flew over the city. She went over the notes before the exam. They argued over which movie to watch. Before. They had breakfast before leaving the house. She finished her work before the deadline. He studied before the exam. Between. The competition was between two teams. She had to choose between two job offers. He divided the candy between his friends. After. She went for a run after work. They cleaned the house after the party. He met with his friends after class. Since. She has been studying English since high school. They have been married since 2010. He has been living in this city since last year. Without. She went to the party without her sister. He did the project without any help. They drove without a map. Under. The cat is hiding under the bed. She put the umbrella under her arm. The car drove under the bridge. Within. The store is within walking distance. She found the answer within the first few pages. He completed the task within an hour. Along. They walked along the beach. She drove along the scenic route. He ran along the river. Following. The following day, they went to the zoo. She read the following chapter in the book. He sent the following email to his boss. Across. She walked across the street. He swam across the lake. They drove across the country. Behind. The dog is hiding behind the couch. She left her purse behind the door. He stood behind his friend in line. Beyond. The view is beyond beautiful. She went beyond her goal. He saw beyond the problem to find a solution. Plus. 2 plus 2 equals 4. She ordered a pizza with pepperoni plus mushrooms. He got a promotion plus a raise. Except. She likes all fruits except for bananas. He invited everyone except his boss. They finished all the work except for one task. But. She wanted to go to the beach, but it rained. He likes pizza, but not with mushrooms. They studied hard, but still failed the exam. Up. She climbed up the stairs. He picked up the phone. They packed up their bags. Out. She went out for a walk. He turned out the light. They crossed out the mistake. Around. She walked around the park. He looked around the room. They talked about the issue around the table. Down. She wrote down the phone number. He put down the book. They counted down from 10 to 0. Off. She took the hat off her head. He turned off the TV. They got off the bus at the station. Above. The bird flew above the trees. She is above average in math. He is above the age limit to enter the club. Near. The store is near the park. She lives near the beach. He found a parking spot near the museum. Of. A cup of coffee. A slice of pizza. A group of friends.